Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to use Afterpay for Walmart. So if you're wondering how to use Afterpay for Walmart, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. First thing you need to note is the eligibility. So Afterpay is available for Walmart purchases online and in store, but you gotta have a valid Walmart account, and you also must have a valid Afterpay account. You got that? Then let's get into it. So the first method is for online. When you're shopping online, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add the items to your cart, and then select Afterpay as your payment method at checkouts. Then log into your Afterpay account to confirm the payments, review the payment details, and confirm the purchase. Pretty simple and straightforward. Now for in-store, when you're in the stores by yourself, then the first thing you have to do is inform the sales associate that you want to use Afterpay. Then you got to provide your phone number to receive a one-time password from Afterpay and use that to confirm the payment, and that's pretty much it. Now as for the payment schedule for how you're gonna repay the money, the first payment is due at the time of purchase. All right, so you got to pay the first payment first out of the four installments right there and then, but the remaining are due every 2 weeks over the next 6 weeks. So you just take note of that. And a couple of tips for you guys is check out if Afterpay is available for Walmart's purchase. So it might not be available for every item that you've got at Walmart, but you got to make sure that first that the item that you want is available. Afterpay covers that. The second is to review the payment schedule to ensure you understand the payment terms. So if you're in the store and there's any questions you got, you can just ask, and they'll explain more to you right there and then. The third tip is to make timely payments so you don't get fined. You don't got to pay any fees after, because normally as long as you make your payments on time, there will be no interest, no charge. But if you don't make your payment on time, you skip a payment or you miss a date, then you're gonna have to pay a small fee for that. So just make sure you pay back on time so you don't incur any of that. All right, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates. YouTube is crazy and they don't always send out notifications, but if you click that notification bell, then you're never gonna miss another one of our videos. All right, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.